You gotta understand the intricacies of the streets. Getting it out here is not like getting it in the office, nigga. No. Yeah, you gotta get up early, but it's different. I got a park out in Paris, I'm serving the junkies, I'm moving through traffic. M4, be my whipping that bitch like it's in my motherfucking Buick. I bought a drop overseas, I gotta make me some G's. From the B's, we can make a living. You gon' get out what you getting. Go hard, little nigga. You gon' get out what you getting. Go hard, little nigga. You gon' get out what you getting. Go hard, little nigga. You gon' get out what you getting. Go hard, little nigga. You gon' get out what you getting. I had a dream, now I'm living it. Bringing this thing to infinity. I fuck your bitch in a Rari like gays in the sky and smoking on broccoli. Strapped up like the French Navy. Give me some shrooms, now I'm feeling groovy. You heat up the club and we make a movie. You touch your hair on this chin, no reach for my bling bling. My niggas go fling fling. Oh yeah, nigga, yeah, I'm doing my thing. Walk in the club and I'm bringing my thing. Sing you a song like Michael. Have you bleeding like a psycho. Run up on me, you go viral. Spitting verses like a Bible. This energy is vital. Have it all if you try to gamble on your life, it's really that simple. Expert in a reefer, I'm about to really take you deeper. Trapping like 96, nigga. Oh yeah, I'm back on my beeper. I like her frames like digger. Give me her and her sister. I got a park out in Paris, I'm serving the junkies, I'm moving through traffic. M4, be my whipping that bitch like it's in my motherfucking Buick. I bought a drop overseas, I gotta make me some G's. From the B's, we can make a living. You gon' get out what you getting. Go hard, little nigga. You gon' get out what you getting. Go hard, little nigga. You gon' get out what you getting. Go hard, little nigga. You gon' get out what you getting. Go hard, little nigga. You gon' get out what you getting. My nigga gon' shoot till you turn into mommy. I saw what you can do with the money. I'm building an empire. Up all night like a vampire. I act like I'm dumb, but the way I'm moving, you can tell that the nigga is way smarter. Caught your daughter in my web like a spider. I'm gon' get me that Rari, that spider. Don't compare me to these niggas. I'm coming way harder. MT Vince Carter. I'm gon' shoot you in your bladder. I see your girl, but my wife is better. Pussy good, but I'm focused on money. $1 million is sweet like honey. I got a bed with you, see the Bentley. Smart nigga, never been a dummy. I can sleep if I ain't got the racks. My little homie will kill you for backs. Mojo exterminate on rats. See me rap it, you know it's facts. I bet the old sack on that. Yeah, I bet the old sack on that. I got a park out in Paris, I'm serving the junkies, I'm moving through traffic. M4, be my whipping that bitch like it's in my motherfucking Buick. I bought a drop overseas. I gotta make me some G's. From the B's, we can make a living. You gon' get out what you getting. Go hard, little nigga. You gon' get out what you getting. Go hard, little nigga.